Thank you, Sereni Matam, for that introduction. Hi, my name is Nicole McCartney, and I'm the assistant principal here at Ben Franklin Career Center. We are so grateful to be able to showcase our school and what we are doing here and to showcase our wonderful students. First, I want to introduce one of my instructors here at Ben Franklin, Mr. Tim Beasley.
Hello.
He is actually going to be helping with this project of us building masks, and we can talk a little bit later about where we see that going. Our school, like Mr. Matam said, has learned how to assemble a mask from a manufacturing perspective. Students are learning about safety in the workplace, as well as the Toyota production system of manufacturing. In order for us to learn these things that I've spoke about, my students have been taught by the Toyota employees, and we have two of those here today, Mr. Mike Smith and Mr. Nick Flannery. I am going to turn this over to Mr. Smith now, and he's going to talk a little bit more about this project and what we've learned.
Hi, everybody. Mike Smith. My safety commitment is to continue to coach my son to make safe decisions in school and outside of school. So, great introduction. Thank you, Nicole. And as Sharini mentioned earlier, the Toyota team has always been focused on safety and health, not only for its team members, but also for the public. So this service we are doing here to teach these students how to build masks on their own is fantastic. As you can probably see in the back, these students are already starting to assemble. I think Nicole's going to walk through and kind of show you the process as these students are building the masks. Nicole mentioned that we focused on two concepts: TPS, which is the way we design, set up our manufacturing lines, building engines and transmissions, but we can apply that concept to anything. We also focused on safety. So I guess the best real situation here is to see what these students learned from this activity. So I think what I'm going to do is just ask a couple questions to the students. I may have you guys stop producing the mask right now, and I want to ask a couple questions because you are brand new to this assembly line. One is from a TPS, which is the manufacturing system. What did you guys notice when we put this assembly line in when you first saw it for the first time?
It's organized.
Yes, the line is organized. How is it organized?
It's labeled.
Everything is labeled, so you know exactly where all the pieces and parts go, which helps you manufacture at an efficient pace, okay? What other thing did you learn from it?
Teamwork.
How did you learn teamwork from it?
Because it comes from one station and it gets well done, and then I do it, and then I pass it to him, and then at the end it does it.
Right, in case you didn't hear that, we talked about teamwork. It goes from one station, one process to the other. Everyone is in sync, and that way everyone produces the right amount of product in the right amount of time. And most importantly, from a safety perspective, what did you guys learn after running the process and how it's set up, how it helps the safety of the students, you guys, in building these masks?
It's very ergonomic.
It's very ergonomic. What do you mean?
We don't have to ever reach over ourselves or strain our bodies by twisting or anything like that.
In case you didn't hear that, you don't have to reach across your body. You don't have body twisting, which over time can cause some pain and burden on the folks building the mask. So I think you guys learned that, which is crucial because you guys are going to be teaching other students how to build these masks so everybody can have the opportunity to wear the right PPE to keep us all safe and keep going on this crazy pandemic. Last thing I'll ask you, based off this quick exposure to the assembly line, some of you guys have plans to go to college. Some of you have plans to go into the work field. How will running through this process kind of help you in that future endeavor?
Teaches you to be organized and clean.
Teaches you to be organized and clean. That's right. What else? Teaches you to take your time to make it exactly how it should be. That's exactly one of our foundation pieces from a quality standpoint, right? Anything else?
Teamwork, because you might have to do like a project in college, so working with people.
Absolutely, working with teamwork, right? It's not an individual. All of you came together to form this assembly line, so teamwork is absolutely huge, which will help you later on in life. So listen, you guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys. I want you guys to keep building, and I think I'll hand it back over to Nicole, and we can go from there.
Well, thank you, Mike, and for our students for showcasing this project that we're so excited to be doing with Toyota. We're very thankful for the opportunity. Thank you to Education Alliance for letting us showcase our school today. As a career center, we focus on being a simulated workplace. So we want to prepare our students to be college and or career ready. That is actually our mission of our school. We hope to have this as our school-wide project where all of our programs can learn about career readiness, focusing on safety, and then we can also learn about manufacturing and hopefully provide